If you accidentally deleted a photo or video, don't worry, you might still be able to get it back. Here are 3 ways to recover your lost files. Option 1. Check the recently deleted folder. Your iPhone keeps deleted photos for 30 days before permanently removing them. Here's how to check. 1. Open the Photos app. 2. Scroll down and tap Recently Deleted under the Utilities section. 3. Tap View Album to see all deleted photos and videos. 4. If the photo is there, tap Select, top right, choose the images you want to restore, and tap the 3-dot menu, bottom right. 5. Tap Recover, and the photos will be restored to your library. If the photo isn't in Recently Deleted, try the next method. Option 2. Check iCloud photos. If your photos are synced with iCloud, they might still be available online. 1. Open a web browser and go to iCloud.com. 2. Sign in with your Apple ID and use Face ID or enter your password. 3. Tap on the Photos app within iCloud. 4. If your deleted photo is there, you can download it back to your device. Note: if you have advanced data protection enabled, your iCloud photos may not be available through the website. Option 3. Restore from an iCloud backup. If the photo was deleted before the last iCloud backup, you may be able to recover it by restoring your device from that backup. Here's how. 1. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. 2. Tap iCloud Backup and check when your last backup was made. 3. If the backup was created before the photo was deleted, you can restore your device. Go back to Settings General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings. This resets your device. After the reset, follow the on-screen setup steps and restore from iCloud Backup. This will bring back all the data from that backup, including the deleted photo. Just keep in mind it also resets everything on your phone. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.